A few moments later.
And it was beloved by Tundra owners for years. But that all changed in 2022 when Toyota threw that 5.7 right into the bin. Going for
Okay, first question. When does Desjardins Insurance suggest you switch to winter tires?
Below 7 degrees. Easy.
Nice. Next, what's a smart way to say...
That so far there isn't a lawsuit, and I think if Jimmy Kimmel wants to get back on the air, and I certainly don't blame him for wanting to get back on the air, he's probably not going to sue, and he's probably not going to be supported by ABC or Disney or Nexstar if he does sue. So again, I take the legal analysis. Obviously that's correct, I'm sure, but Trump is getting away with.
Now the Lord sent a wind that brought quail from the sea and let them fall all around the camp. For miles in every direction, there were quail flying about 3 feet above the ground. So the people went out and caught quail all that day, and throughout the night, and all the next day too. No one gathered less than 50 bushels. They spread the quail all around the camp to dry, while they were gorging themselves off the meat, while it was still in their mouths.
Please leave your message for... Please leave your message for 2... Please leave your message for 206299.
说蓝色是你最爱的颜色。你说如果没有爱，那又如何？怎么？ Vamos a alabar al rey, vamos todos a alabar al rey. Vamos a alabar al rey, vamos a alabar al rey, vamos a alabar al rey. I know. PFJ 79.
I'll go and check on the dog. You ever chat to this guy and I'll come and see you.